cold or really bad allergies because of the weather. I got a cold. It's because my nephew was sick for Christmas. But I went down to the store and I got a bunch of stuff. Took some Sudafed, and it seems to be hold that thought. Okay. I am not feeling well. Yeah. I got some cough drops, some what is it called? Emergency. Shit works great. I got Sudafed. I got a day and NyQuil package. And I'm actually heading to the Speedway. Even though it is 20 to 4 and we don't even open until 6. Because I had a text message saying they had severe weather last night, which they didn't have it last night, they had it this afternoon. And if they did have it last night, why wasn't I informed until 3 p.m.? Anyways, I was asked to go down there to check my shit out. When I said, hang on a second, it was because I had gotten another text message. And then I got a picture, which I'm going to put right here. So the tent that is upside down is not mine. Thank God. Because at first I was like, oh my God. But the tent that is upright, that is still in position, is mine. Somehow, some of my stuff got blown out of the tent. So I'm going down here to check it out and see what the heck. And she said they are open as much as possible. So I am heading down there. On a bright note, last night I was brainstorming. Can you see all this? I got 2 papers, both sides are full. So I'm working on my kiddie show for fairs and festivals. While I had some downtime at the event last night, I was searching stuff. I bought a backdrop. I'm excited about that. Then I started searching whiskey barrels because I would really like to have a whiskey barrel as a table for this show. Then I found out how much they are and how much they weigh. So I decided I'm going to go a different route. Because the backdrop has farm animals in it, and I do have tables and stuff, I can get a tablecloth at a Hobby Lobby for like $15. And there is I can get a whiskey barrel planter. So it's like a planter for flowers you would use for landscaping, and it's made out of plastic, so it's light. And I'm like, that's the route I need to go. And my brain is still brainstorming on this. And this is something that's been in the works for approximately 6 years. But I never got it off the ground, so I'm trying. Excuse me. sorry. I told you I'm not feeling well. I'm trying to get that off the ground. The main thing I need to do is get a... I'm sorry. Video. A promo video. So I can send it to my contacts that I have. Unfortunately, the more I think about it, the more I'm like, that's not going to happen until mid-February. And that sucks. But, it's okay. Because I really want this email to go out in January. Yeah. So that's where I am as far as that goes, and we're heading to Daytona Beach Speedway. Yeah. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay. I am on my way home. I don't feel well. I said that before. But on top of me not feeling well, now my back is on fire. So, but I got everything in the car. So, there's that. I don't really know what to say right now, guys. Tonight was decent for Daytona, but yeah. So I am heading home to go to bed. I'm gonna take a bunch of medicine and knock myself out. Hopefully wake up feeling better. But first, I have to stop at the store and get gas. So, there's that. Other than that, that's all I have. I have a long drive. Okay. Currently, it's approximately a 2-hour drive that I really don't feel like making. But I have to. So, see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll give you an update in the morning on how I feel. It's my head. It's like a cold, but like allergies. I have an itchy throat. It's causing me to cough, and in my nose. Right now it's not running because I took Sudafed, and but my head is congested. So yeah. Anyhow, I'll let you know how I feel in the morning, guys. Hi. Okay, so it is approximately 10 after 1, and I'm still driving home. about 3:30 this morning. I woke up coughing so much I almost got sick. And at that point, I took some Benadryl and went back to sleep. I slept until about 10:30, and then I took some Dayquil and unloaded the car, reloaded the car, and I went back to sleep again. Then I got up and started working on videos. So I'm sorry I didn't record this morning, but that's my current update. I am feeling slightly better, but nowhere near 100%. My headache did disappear, but it's starting to come back. So tomorrow's New Year's Eve. I hope everybody's safe out there for New Year's. If you're going anywhere or anything like that. I'm going to try to take some video tomorrow of the party that I have to go to. And yeah, so you guys can see that, like, legit, I do. I am a DJ. So anyways, that's all I got for now. Stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll keep you posted on how I'm feeling. Hey everybody. Okay, just wanted to give you an update. Yes, I still have a cough. Today is New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year, everybody. As far as me being sick goes, I'm feeling a lot better. I still have a cough. I still have some sinus stuff going on, but I have to work tonight. I have a party to do tonight. So, all I gotta do is make it through. Then I have off until the end of January. But I have to babysit my nieces, in a couple of weeks. I have to go to my sister's. But other than that, all I have to do is the marketing stuff that I've already talked about, so we're not going to go into that. And I'm going to try to take some video tonight of the party, the New Year's Eve party, especially the countdown, this, that, and the other, and, you know, yeah. So, but I am definitely feeling a lot better. Like I said, I took some Sudafed today, but that's all I took. And I actually ate something. Because yesterday I just didn't feel like eating anything at all. I just wasn't hungry, and I just wasn't feeling good at all. So, other than that, I'll see you in the new year. All right? Peace. Be safe out there tonight, guys, if you're going anywhere. If not, well, be safe too. Start the new year off on the right foot. Right before the clock hits midnight, lift your left leg so you're starting out on the right foot. And, all right. We'll see you then.